Dear students, once again welcome to the lesson Is Matter Around Us Pure? In the previous classes, we have discussed types of solution and its properties. What are they? Yes, you are correct. Well, true solutions, suspension and colloidal solution. Today, let us see how the components in the mixtures will be separated and what are the methods used to separate the components. Let us see some of the examples. While separating the components from the mixtures, its nature and property should be looked into. For example, unfortunately, small stones or any gram mixed into rice in your kitchen, what will your mother do? Yes, we can remove stone or any gram particles with the help of our hand. For example, I have taken rice. Green grams are mixed here and there. I have to remove it from the rice. So easily I can use my hand to remove it. Is it? This process is called hand picking. Here, which property of the component is used here? Size and solid form, isn't it? In paddy field, husk is removed from the paddy by the process called winnowing with the help of wind. Husk is the lighter particle. It will be taken by the wind. Suppose green gram is mixed with flour, how it will be removed? I have taken maida flour. Green grams are here and there. How it can be separated? Here we cannot use hand picking method, isn't it? Very difficult. So, we can use sieve. I have taken a sieve. I am putting into the sieve the mixture. If I am sieving, I can get only green gram alone in the sieve. Okay. You could have seen your grandmother use a method to separate butter from buttermilk. Have you seen it? Okay. There the name of the process used is centrifugation. The same method is used in the laboratory to test our blood or urine. Okay, dear ones. Suppose, how can we get clean water from muddy water? Yes, if you are keeping as such for a few hours, sand particles will settle down. On the top, clear water is available. If we are filtering, we can get the clean water. Okay, in the previous class, we have discussed what is sublimation. Is it? The process in which changing of solid into gaseous form without changing into liquid form. For example, naphthalene ball and camphor agarbatti. Is it? Okay. If these are mixed with any substances, how it will be separated? For example, if it is mixed with, not in this ball size, if it is in powder form, if it is mixed with flour or sand or with salt, how it will be separated? Let us see it now. Let us see the activity. Take a china dish. Then take 1 spoonful of chalk powder and 1 spoonful of ammonium chloride in the china dish. Mix it well. After mixing, it should be covered with a funnel. Then this setup is to be placed on a tripod stand. Heat the apparatus. After some times, vapors are deposited at the side of the funnel. It shows that ammonium chloride changed into its vapor form and deposited on the side of funnel. Stop the heating. Remove the funnel. Due to coolness, again vapor form is changed into solid form. Now in the china dish, only chalk powder is left out. With this process, we can separate sublimated substances